Investiture ceremony of RBK School marks the curtain riser for all the school events to follow. In the times of restraint, we have followed all the COVID protocols to embark upon this venture. We have conducted this ceremony on the 16th and 17th of July. What we present to you are glimpses of this great event woven into a string of pearls, which I ensure will be a treat to your eyes.
Good morning to one and all. Welcome to the investiture ceremony of RBK School academic year 2021-22. We are proud and blessed to have with us today an esteemed dignitary and the most eminent political personality of Mira Bhayandar constituency, Honorable MLA Mrs. Geeta Jain. We also extend a warm welcome to the chairperson of RBK Educational Institutions, Mrs. Rupal Kanakia. I am privileged to invite the guiding light of RBK School, Principal Mrs. Nalini Shetty, heads and coordinators of RBK Educational Institutions, and all the eminent dignitaries who have joined us to grace this occasion.
We welcome you to this solemn occasion where all the young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. RBK School grounds was graced with the presence of the Honorable MLA Mrs. Geeta Jain on the 16th of July. She was received and welcomed by the chairperson Mrs. Rupal Kanakia and the other eminent dignitaries of RBK Educational Institutions. Members of the Student Council escorted her regally to the venue of the investiture ceremony. The Honorable MLA was greeted by the vision of her own Rangoli, and she was pleasantly mesmerized by the artistic excellence. The guest of honor was formally greeted with bouquet and a token of gratitude in the form of a memento by the chairperson, Mrs. Rupal Kanakia.
Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Wisdom is the embodiment of the life, which we have to spread far and wide. I would like to call upon our honorable chief guest, the chairperson, the principal, and all the distinguished dignitaries to light the lamp.
शत्रुबुद्धि
A true leader is someone who brings people together to get things done. He is a visionary who desires to bring everyone together as a team to reach a common goal. We in RBK School take pride in nurturing the future leaders who will establish themselves as ethical role models.
I would like to invite coordinator of the ICSE section, Mrs. Shrija Limay, to give us an insight into the intricacies of the election process through her addressing.
Hard are the times, difficult the paths. Life has become a struggle. But why let the shadow of dark times fall on our loving children? So, giving them a platform to bring out their inner skills, we thought of seeking a way to find out the precious gems from the RBK school minds. And this is how all it began. Firstly, the enrollment forms were sent in Google Form through the Google Classroom to all the students of grade 9 and 10. The students were given 2 days to decide and fill in their forms. Secondly, house-wise links were given to all the students of the respective houses of respective grades to join on a specific day and time. Using the link, the contestants could introduce themselves and disclose their capabilities to their fellow mates and their teachers. Grade 9 contestants met on the 5th and the 6th of July, whereas grade 10 contestants followed the suit on the 7th and the 8th of July. The next step was the voting session, which was held on the 12th of July. All the students and the teachers of the respective houses participated in the polls. A Google form was sent to all the students and the teachers of grade 9 and 10. The deserving ones were chosen as the captains and the vice captains. This also gave them a fair chance to elect themselves if they wished to. For the selection of sports captains, we had shared a link where the interested candidates could join. Sports teachers interviewed them. Selection was done based on their participation and their achievements in DSO and school tournaments. This is how we obtained our polished gems. Grade 9 contributed the vice house captains. Grade 10 gave us our house captains and sports captains. A head boy and head girl were elected on the basis of the percentage of the votes received, their attendance and their performance in the class. We now unlock our coffer and reveal the names of our valuable gems.
We present to you the Vivekanand House, representing the motto, Towards the Light. The house is led by Riddhi Agarwal, the sports captain, to lead the girls' team. She is a committed sports girl and has represented RBK in many inter-school football tournaments. She is adventurous and a trendsetter as a sports girl. We now present to you Divyansh Sinha, the sports captain for the Vivekanand House. Divyansh has made valuable contributions to the cricket team. He has earned gold, silver and bronze medals in 100 and 400 meter races at the school level. He is a passionate learner and a motivated leader. Coming up next is the vice captain, Shweni Shetty. Shweni is an elegant and a graceful dancer. She has recorded her name in the Guinness World Records, India Book of Records, and the Asia Book of Records for the most number of people performing rain dance in the year 2018. She has secured the first position in Meera Bhainder's Skettleathon District Championship in 2017. Atharva Kote, the vice captain of the house, is an excellent combination of a poet's heart and a musician's mind. He says and writes down what he really thinks and feels. He's a naturalist and has penned down his thoughts in poems and through articles. His love for music makes him a skillful keyboard player. Next we have in line the house captain Meghna Agarwal, walking in with pride to take up the responsibility of the house. A polite, committed and an honest representative, Meghna is all set to act responsibly and to be a role model for other students. She has represented RBK at the DSO basketball tournaments at the district level. Making headway is Dev Mittal, the house captain. Being ambitious, outspoken, assertive and thoughtful, he possesses all the skills to be a supportive leader for his team. He strongly believes in himself and is confident about the task entrusted upon him as the captain of the house. Meghna Agarwal and Dev Mittal pledge to serve their best to bring victory to the Vivekanand House as they hold the house flag high. We offer before you the gems of the Tagore House, representing the motto, Strive to Achieve. Prisha Salian, the sports captain. She uses her hand and mind to create unique pieces of art. Her determination and dedication to excel makes her a strong leader. Prisha has led the girls' basketball team towards victory under her able command. Coming up next is Pallav Chopra, the sports captain for the house. A positive attitude with a strong competitive drive, Pallav exhibits himself as a capable commander to lead his team towards success. We now have the vice captain, Ria Mandovra,
advancing for the investiture. She is an avid learner, which makes her an extremely talented Bharatanatyam dancer and singer. She is an eloquent speaker and possesses exceptional interpersonal skills. She has represented RBK in inter-school football tournaments. The vice captain of the Tagore House, Shabd Kanodia, is an intellectual genius who has consistently excelled in academics. He has secured the first position in karate at the district level competition. He has represented our school at the DSO and has won the third place in the karate championship. He is flexible and exhibits the potential to be a good leader. House captainship calls for immense caliber and courage. Bhumika Sarda portrays qualities of responsibility, empathy, and perseverance. She possesses excellent communication skills and a problem-solving attitude. Bhumika has represented RBK in many inter-school football tournaments. Bhumika has led the under-14 football team for the DSO tournaments. Bakhtiyar Raja is a patient listener, a fluent speaker, and a convincible leader. His fine decision-making skills make him an incredible leader. Bakhtiyar has also excelled academically in his grades. Bakhtiyar has been a member of Code in Place by Stanford University in 2021. The flag bearers, Bhumika and Bakhtiyar, have assured and dedicated to put forth their best foot forward and lead their team towards glory. We display before you the precious jewels of the Shivaji House, representing the motto, "Endure to Conquer." We now direct Neeti Ladha to take over the charge of sports captainship for the house. Neeti's optimistic approach motivates her team to think ahead and to believe in themselves. Neeti has participated at the DSO in the football, cricket and badminton tournaments for the under-14 team. Neeti has represented the school at the district level skating championship. Self-belief and self-management skills make Tanish a successful sportsman. He has represented RBK at the DSO cricket tournaments. Tanish is a badminton champion and a kabaddi player. Tanish has won the first prize in the Spell Bee Olympiad. Vice Captain Ishal Vyas is an ambitious child who is ever willing to undertake new and daring tasks. She has represented our school in many inter-school badminton and chess competitions. Ishal is a gold medalist at the International General Knowledge Olympiad and the International English Olympiad. Dhairya Agarwal comes off as an ideal representative for the post of the vice captain. Dhairya's passion for knowledge and love for learning new things make him excel academically. His humble and courteous approach makes him popular among his fellow mates. He sets an example of humility for others to follow. Captainship, we know, is not a piece of cake. It is a challenge to be conquered. Shreya Jadhav aspires for excellence in all that she does. Shreya maintains cordial relationship with her fellow students as well as her teachers. Shreya has participated in many sports events at the school and the inter-school level. She is a trained Bharatanatyam dancer and a brown belt in karate. Good organization skills and high level of commitment throughout makes Aryan an effective leader. Aryan has participated in the inter-school quiz competitions. He is a persistent hard worker who has focused on his goals. Shreya and Aryan will lead the flag and honor the pledge of the house to the best of their capabilities. We offer before you the shining stars of the Shastri house, representing the motto, Serve to Lead. Manasvi Balawa's persistence and determination to be the best always makes her a great athlete. Manasvi has represented RBK in inter-school basketball, football, badminton and cricket tournaments. Rohan Dedia believes that he can make it to the top step of the podium with all the hard work that he does. Rohan has led the school cricket team in the inter-school cricket tournaments organized by the MCA. Rohan has represented RBK at the DSO in the cricket tournaments for the under 12 and under 14 team. Diya Joshi's competition is with herself. She has an inner desire to succeed in all the tasks she takes up. She sets realistic goals for herself and works hard to attain those goals. She represents the ideal that persistent hard work is the road to victory. Asher's exceptional sense of motivation and his innate ability to bring out the best in him and those around him make him a good leader. Asher's aura radiates positivity and goodwill that he spreads around him. Swara Shah's grace and precision of movement makes her a polished classical dancer. She is a critical thinker and has earned distinction in academics. Swara has secured 2 gold medals, 1 silver medal, and 1 bronze at the state level for the Karate Championship. Vedant Kapse demonstrates excellent communication style. His supportive, caring, and fair attitude makes him a good leader. His list of achievements are never ending, but few worth mentioning here are: he has received medals in the Olympiad exam. He has won many inter-school chess competitions. Swara and Vedant are committed to scale the heights of attainments and help foster their house. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. We proudly present before you the future leaders and visionaries who can win laurels for our school. Head boy of RBK School, academic year 21-22, Ansh Vashisht, a pleasing personality and a charming smile. His mature approach to life sets him apart from his peers. He's a passionate learner with the potential of breathing life into his aspirations. Ansh has proved to be a sportsman by winning number of prizes in inter-house and inter-school competitions. Walking forward proudly is Kirtana Dinashan to take over the authority of the head girl, RBK School, academic year 21-22. Kirtana takes interest in painting, singing, and reading. Kirtana endures everyone with her sweetness and innocence, but at the same time possesses rock-solid determination to excel in every walk of life. Ansh and Kirtana are in the process of making history against all the adverse situations. Progress occurs when school gives opportunity to courageous leaders to change the world for the better.
The power of an oath derives from the fact that we ask God to bear witness to the promises we make, and the Almighty will hold us accountable for the manner in which we honor them. The office bearers of RBK School are embarking upon the path of duties and responsibilities, and as they do so, they have prepared their body, mind, and soul to pledge their allegiance to their school.
This day, we stand before our fellow pupils, and all in authority, and promise to do the duties, entrusted to us, as captains, honestly and justly, and in the best interests of our school. So help us God.
I access my privilege to invite our dear principal, Mrs. Nalini Shetty, to address the council members and share her words of wisdom with them.
A very pleasant morning to all my valued parents and wonderful learners. I am very pleased to celebrate this investiture ceremony of our Students' Council. Dear students, I know you will do well under the excellent guidance of your teachers and support of your classmates. On this occasion, I would like the leaders to focus on two aspects: core values and how we need to use this right lenses to view our work as leaders. Core values are non-negotiable of our schools. It means that as student leaders, you must join hand with your teachers to guide your peers and juniors, to respect each other, to be disciplined, and to be a person of integrity. This is what we expect from each and every student leader. You should take the leadership challenge as there are heavy responsibilities along with this leadership role. Next, as a leader, you decide which lens will you use to view the work that you would be doing. Would you be a lens of a telescope? You should not be derailed or easily distracted, but you are to fix your eyes on the horizon where you desire to journey with your team. Sometimes as a leader, you may have a view of a lens from a microscope. We must know when we need to focus on the details before things spiral out of control. Attention to details is very often a sign that you care and the work that you do. Occasionally, when obstacles occur as leaders, you need to view it through the lens of a periscope. And finally, leaders may sometimes need to view their work through a stethoscope. We need to listen to our own hearts and the hearts of people whom we serve. Remember, it is extremely important as a leader to know when to use the right lens and to be self-aware about when you are over-dependent and using only one type of lens. So through what lens you are currently viewing your work? How different would it look if you viewed it through another lens? Do take time to reflect on these questions, and I wish you all the best in your journey of leadership and service to our school. Once again, congratulations to the entire council team and the staff. God bless you all. Thank you.
We would like to invite the guest of honor, MLA Mrs. Geeta Jain, to speak a few words of her foresight on the occasion.
First of all, I congratulate each and every student and their proud parents for these achievements over here. On the dais, Rupalji, there are both principals, all teachers, and my dear parents. Maybe it is a very small function, but I really feel that we all miss these functions which were there in the schools regularly. Maybe if this would have happened, if the things are normal, and I think must be in a ground or something, and even they must have felt very good that in front of so many people we are doing this ceremony. But okay, we have to follow the rules of Corona, and unfortunately the Corona is still here. We all miss school. Though these children may say that okay, we are enjoying the holidays at home, but holidays are always, you feel good if it is for a day or two or a month when it is a summer vacation. But sitting 1.5 full year at home is a punishment for the parents also and for the students also. But eventually, I would, because it is going to all the parents, I would advise all the parents that please make your child a bit serious about studies, so that when school starts, he won't feel all that awkward, all that, this is the time where everybody has to, help each other to overcome this situation. From our side also, when I say our side is always the government side also, and from school side also, and from also the parents side. Parents, you expect a lot more from school. I don't think so. Everybody can give that much, but expect what you should. And the school, yes, thank you school authorities that you are following the rules of the elections properly. Even in corporation, in Sthanik Swarajya Sanstha, we have 50% for the female this thing. So you have followed the rules properly and you are teaching students that yes, 50% reservation is for ladies. So my dear parents, फिर एक बार कहूँगी PTA members, स्कूल को स्मूथली चलाइए, बिकॉज हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कि विद्या का मंदिर, और हम मंदिर को कितना ऊंचा स्थान देते हैं वो मुझे कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मंदिर हमारे लिए एक ज्ञान का मंदिर भी, हम जैसे भगवान के सामने माथा झुकाते हैं. मैं स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा कहूँगी कि आप इसे अपना मंदिर समझे और अपनी पूरी श्रद्धा के साथ अपने आप का ये विश्वास बनाए रखें कि इस मंदिर में से मुझे फ्यूचर एक अच्छे सिटीजन होने के जो पाथ मिल रहे हैं उसे मैं ग्रहण करूं. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, बी अ वेरी गुड सिटीजन. यू कैन बी अ वेरी गुड डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, लॉयर, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू बी, but be a very good person is most important thing which you have to remember. And I congratulate each and everybody for this achievement. Congratulations everybody, and thank you very much, and have a very good day to everybody. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The newly crowned leaders of RBK School, head boy Ansh Vashisht and head girl Kirtana Dinashan, would reassure their commitment to their school and fellow pupils.
Words are not enough to express our gratitude on being elected as members of the school council. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Our principal and teachers have encouraged us to develop the confidence and the capabilities required for the council, for which we thank them sincerely. We promise that we will do everything in our power to get things right.
Our friends and fellow learners have trusted us to be their voice and support, and we thank each one of you for placing your faith in us. We all know that before making any serious decision, every efficient leader tries to understand the others around him before putting forward his views, and so does the council. This being the last year of our journey in this wonderful school, we will definitely put every effort from our side to maintain the discipline of the students.
With great power comes great responsibility, and we have prepared ourselves to handle every single one that comes our way. We assure you on behalf of the council that none of its members will misuse their authority or be partial towards anyone in their decisions.
Life has changed for most of us in these pandemic times, and our adversity quotient has definitely gone up a few notches. The Student Council resolves to stand up and support our fellow learners as well as our teachers in every possible way to the best of our abilities. Together, we lead our school to greater heights of success.
We are sure that this time too shall pass, and we will sail through to the other side and emerge stronger than we were.
Thank you.
We kindly request you to be attentive for the school song.